Hey, boys and girls, it's Mr. Mac. Today we're going to work on Module 8, Lesson 2, which is representing multiplication of whole numbers by fractions. So I'm going to jump right into this problem. We're representing, which means we're going to be drawing visual models today. Earl bakes 3 loaves of bread. He keeps 1/4 of the bread for himself and gives the rest to his neighbors. How many loaves of bread does Earl give to his neighbors? So I'm going to draw with my own way here, 3 loaves of bread. Yep, they're delicious looking. They're just rectangles, okay? We know that we're dealing with fourths because it says he keeps 1/4. So I'm going to take each of these wholes and I'm going to break them into fourths, okay? As equal as I can. Not perfect, but remember when we're doing fractions like this, we're talking about equal pieces. Okay, now it says that he keeps 1/4. So that means that Earl's going to keep 1/4 here. He's going to keep 1/4 here. He's going to keep 1/4 here. The question they're asking is how many loaves of bread does Earl give to his neighbors? So we're looking for a fraction here. So that means he gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these pieces, and each of those is a fourth. So Earl is going to give 9/4 to his neighbors. Now, we don't leave the fraction, the improper fraction like that. We need to change that into a mixed number. We've gone over that by doing 9 divided by 4, which we know would be 2 with 1 left over. So the 1 is your numerator and your denominator is 4. So how much does the neighbors get? The neighbors get 2 1/4 loaves of bread, okay? So in this problem, the biggest thing for us to understand is when we have the whole number, we're going to draw the whole number, and then we're going to look at our fraction, and this one was fourths, so we're going to break it up into fourths. So now I've scrolled down, and I'm looking at another example here that we have. So it says Rashad bakes 4 equal-sized granola bars, and he serves 2/3 of the bars to his friends. It says draw a visual model to show how you can find how many granola bars he serves. Now, if I wanted to use these granola bars, I could do that, right? And I could say, okay, we're dealing with thirds, so I need to break these all up into 3 equal pieces. Okay, that's probably not going to look too equal, so let me try that again. If I draw these lines straight across, that's going to give me 3 equal pieces for each of these granola bars, right? And it says he serves 2/3 to the friends. So that means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those thirds are going to be served to the friends. So 8/3, again, 3 goes into 8 2 times with a remainder of 2, and 3 is left over. Now, if I didn't have those granola bars, I literally just would have drawn 4 rectangles to represent the 4 granola bars, and each of those I would have to break up into thirds. And again, just to try to make it as equal as possible. I know sometimes it's difficult to make them equal, but when we deal with these fractions, we know that we're dealing with equal pieces, and you would do the same thing. Now, if we're unsure how I got 2 2/3 or how I got 2 1/4 in the problem above, remember, we would just do 3 goes into 8 because we dropped this 8 here down on the inside. 3 goes into 8 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. I subtract. I get 2. That is going to be my numerator. And then my denominator, which is 3, stays the same. All right. Hopefully this will help you guys with using visual models to multiply whole numbers by fractions. Take care, guys.